Hello again. Today I'm actually talking about the F-Type. I've noticed that there is a flapping noise that comes from the rear of the car in the cabin, and it really gets noticeable when the spoiler deploys around 70 miles an hour. Let me give you a demonstration of the noise, but I had to modulate it a little bit so you can hear better. This flapping noise is caused by loose weather stripping material near the tailgate. So all we have to do is apply some adhesive and the flapping should stop. First you just need to clean up the area. There's some plastic backing that's left over from the old weather stripping, and there's a little thicker weather stripping right here that you need to remove. After all the big stuff's removed, you just need to get some Goo Gone or any other adhesive remover and put some on a little towel and use this to kind of clean up the area. You just need to get the rest of the adhesive out of the way. Once that's done, I would clean up the area a little bit more with some alcohol. Luckily I have some alcohol pads that makes it a little easier. You just wipe the area that you cleaned and this will remove the Goo Gone, but also make the surface a little bit cleaner. Now grab your black weather stripping adhesive, also some kind of spreader. I'm going to use a spoon, and we're going to spread it onto the body and the weather stripping like so on both sides, and a little bit of a thick line kind of like this. And then we're going to use the spoon to spread it flat. After this, we're going to wait for it to get tacky, and then we'll press the two sides together. So apply a line of the weather stripping adhesive like this, and shouldn't be super thick, just a little bit is probably all you need. And then mimic that line on the body as well. It should be on both sides, not just the body or the weather stripping, but on both sides. Then you take your spoon or whatever and flatten it out a little bit. Like that. And then flatten out the body side as well. After this, I kind of just counted to 10. It seems to get tacky like pretty quickly. I don't know if you should wait longer. The instructions say till it doesn't stick to your knuckle, but I think 10 seconds is plenty. And then you just press the two sides together. Make sure there's no bubbles or pieces sticking up, because any gap in the weather stripping will catch the wind, and eventually the pressure will cause a flap, and then it'll get bigger and bigger and you'll have to redo everything. So just make sure it's all pressed together. Here's the final result. You don't really see much overspill. I didn't really use too much, so you shouldn't have too much spreading out through the cracks, so that looks good. And I actually did it all the way up to the top just because at some point it's going to fail, so I might as well do it all right now. And that's it. Once you're done, you can clean up the area. I have a satin matte wrap, so I have to use a special finishing spray, but once everything's all clean, it should be good to go. I ended up test driving this on the highway, and once I hit 70 and the wing deployed, nothing really happened. So the noise went away completely. It's quiet now in the inside. There's no flapping whatsoever. And that's it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I make Range Rover Sport and Jaguar videos as issues pop up on my own cars, so don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss out any simple fixes that hopefully will save you thousands over taking it to a dealer. Thank you, and have a good one.